Today is the 29th of April 2022. So this was replaced. Yes, in the western part of Länsi, at the University of Tampere, central campus. In Tampere, tämä Forsviikama Pirkland, Finland. We saw the D part, but it was also replaced with business. And yeah, it was replaced in 2005, and its number is H406003. And it has these 8 purchase orders.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in the next year. 250 years old in 2020.
It should have been replaced a bit earlier with Kone Sigma or something.
True, of course.
Or 10-2005 with Otis Gen 2.
Yeah, well, it's 1000.
Yeah, yeah.
I think this campus is originally from the early 1970s, but also 1958. There's one more part later.
Yeah. Expected bulky-wise, but maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Should have classic leveling, it doesn't have it.
Yeah. That's